Hi, I'm Jeff Williams, owner of Armor Insurance Agency in Miles City, Montana, and welcome to another Tuesday tip. If you've ever wondered whether you have to pay a deductible when your liability insurance kicks in, well, you're not alone. And that's the purpose of the video today. We're going to clear that little question up. A deductible is the amount of money that you have to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage starts kicking in. And for certain coverages like collision or comprehensive, it'll have an inverse relationship to your premium, meaning the higher your deductible, the lower your premium. Here's the answer to the question. The liability component of your car insurance does not have a deductible. If you're responsible for an accident, your liability insurance is going to kick in and pay the person's medical bills or property damage up to the policy's limit, and you will not have to pay a deductible for that. Deductibles apply to your property, not the other person's property. That is why collision and comprehensive on your policy may have a deductible and the liability will not, because liability pays the other person. It's important to recognize that in some specialized policies, like a commercial policy or an umbrella policy, there may be terms that create a deductible for the liability component of those policies. But for a standard personal auto policy, there are not. So when it comes to the liability component of your car insurance, you don't have to worry. You're not going to have to pay a deductible. If you're at fault for an accident, the liability component is going to kick in and pay up to the limits. If you want to review your car's coverages, or maybe you just want a better understanding of what your insurance policy does cover, feel free to give me a call. You can reach out to me at 406-416-1096. Thanks for watching.